Nigerian celebrities that led or joined the NSAS movement are to be charged to court for criminal cases. I say sure, wetin sure be criminal cases again. I don't know wetin Nigerians dey turn into. My god, this one are the names of people wey dey say make dem come face criminal charges. So most of them na all celebrities wey be say we see, wey even dey lead the protest, wey we say we see. I say sure, wetin Nigerians dey turn into? Is it that we no get right to protest anything anymore, or is it that we don't have right to voice out something that is not good in our country? I say no, on a normal basis, government should be open to criticism. I don't understand why Nigeria home go be different. You understand? So a lot of celebrities now, their accounts have been frozen just because say they lead the NSAS movement, or because they see their face in that movement. They freeze their account. The one they want arrest, they arrest. And I know say now, as you and I dey talk now, DJ Switch no dey Nigeria again, because she say a lot of people dey threaten her. I know say na she make that Lekki massacre go viral when she do live video for there. And I know say most of the governmental people, they say that video na fake. They say na movie, but they can't edit am, so she can't claim say na that day na that thing happen. So after she make that video, a lot of threats come to her. She even come outside say that they threaten her, say they want kill. So because of that one, she can't run go Canada. As me and you they talk, so she go seek Aduro, as in Aduro na she go seek asylum for Canada. Say her life dey in danger. Of course, really her life really dey in danger. So now see the list wey be say e come outside. So now the list wey they want all those people when they say make they come Abuja court, say they showed all those things like criminal something. They don't get right to organize protest against bad government or against SARS. They say make criminal cases. So they say it's against Nigeria law. Make they come Abuja, make they come defend themselves. You and I know say if any of them go there Abuja, they go arrest them just because of say the protest was against to remove bad government and things that are not really going on in Nigeria. Say they not go win the case. They go carry they go jail there. And I know say recently I post video yesterday concerning the new law or rules when they put for social media. Anybody that is found guilty will be charged or jail or pay a lot of money. See, my sister, my brothers, I don't know what in Nigeria they go into it. Systematically they don't deprive us of our our freedom of speech. They don't deprive us. Just imagine, because all those celebrities come outside now, they don't say they sponsor criminal. They use their money to sponsor criminal. So because of that, they need to be charged to court for that. Say sure. Now wow, see no. Come to think of it, we now believe say this Nigerian self, people when they rule and they even get brain at all. Other countries, other countries say they do protest, but they do protest is a sign of our freedom too. Is a sign of our right. You have that right to protest. I don't know. I know that government should be open to criticism, but Nigeria, oh no, they take care. I don't understand why people say a Nigeria president or Nigeria government as a whole, they are scared of social media. You understand? So they don't believe say Nigerian youth feel wake up, pull that crowd. When we say that crowd, that protest, it reach international highs. Those ones they fear, because that protest go that hashtag alone, the thing go viral, it go everywhere, so that they are making it very possible so that they can they can delete anybody that that have evidence, especially that evidence wey be say the thing happen for Lekki toll gate. They wan delete anybody wey get that evidence. I just happy say that DJ Sweet, she really quick make her move.
New bill now christened the Social Media Bill proposes these measures as the consequence for things you post as an individual on social media that the government labels false. 1. It doesn't matter if you are the original author of any information considered false or not. Just a simple act of sharing or reposting this information could put you in jail. 2. Anything that you post that is perceived by the government to diminish public confidence in its delivery could land you in jail. This ambiguous clause could be interpreted to cover criticism of government policy or action, calling for protest, or just ordinary banter. And 3, this law would make it possible for the government to shut down the internet, like any website, blog, or other digital channel at will. Bloggers and social media influencers could spend 2 years in prison or part ways with 150,000 naira if the government decides their posts are false. And it could be much worse. Should someone in the government get mad at you, or maybe the person just doesn't like your face, then you could be accused of spreading false information that could jeopardize national security. This would mean that you get to spend up to 3 years of your life, or pay a fine of 10 million naira, or both. And one last thing, according to a clause in this bill, you would have no chance, none, to defend yourself in the court of law without appealing prior to the law enforcement agency. So now, tell me, what do you think about this social media bill?